Hello and welcome back to another nail video. Today we have a new product to review, Fleurwee Gel Nail Polish. This is a new plant-based gel nail polish by the brand MelodySusie. So already I love the art and graphics of this gift box. It's so cute. And when you open the box, you get a description card that tells a little about the gel nail polish. And these are how the polishes look. They kind of mimic the beautiful flowers that are on the cover of the box. And it comes with these beautiful bright colors, gel nail polishes that I will be swatching later in the video. And it comes with this empty vase for your dried flowers that is also included in this gift box. So then there's more. We have some nail stickers here, some dried flowers for the vase, and some nail brushes. Those are some additional nail stickers, and these are how the nail brushes look. And these are the beautiful shades included in today's box. First, we have color P25. And I would say this is more of a coral color. I love how the gel polish is nice and smooth and very high quality. The brush is nice and slim, which makes it so easy to get right up and close to the cuticle. Next, we have color P10. This is a soft yellow gel polish, and just to let you know, these gel nail polishes are all plant-based, HEMA and HPMA free. Then there's P23, and it's a really pretty pink. The application is flawless, and this gel polish is self-leveling, which makes it so easy to use. And last but not least, we have P15, this beautiful baby blue color. It is so nice and airy. And these are how the colors turned out. Stay tuned because I will be using these colors in today's set. So first, I am starting with my prep by using my cuticle pusher to gently push back my cuticles. Then I'm using my sanding band to just gently remove the shine from my natural nail. And of course, I am using my MelodySusie e-file, and I do have my e-file set to low just because I'm only removing the shine from my natural nail. And this set I am so excited for. I am going on vacation to Florida, and I'm so excited. So I'm gonna do some short, bright, fun nails using those colors from the new Fleurwee collection by MelodySusie. And I'm doing polygel nails today, and it's going to be so quick and so easy. So once I have removed the shine from my natural nail, I'm just using my cuticle ball nail drill bit to go around my cuticle area and clean them up just a bit. They're actually not that bad, so I'm not going to have to clip my cuticles today. So I'm just using the ball bit to clean them up as best as I can. Also, I want to send a special thank you to MelodySusie for sending over their new Fleurwee gift box for me to try. And if you're interested in trying out this new plant-based gel nail polish, I will have a link in the description box below, as well as my promo code EasyNails12, which can save you up to 12% off of your entire purchase. And as you see, I have already applied my tips and prepped my natural nail. And now I'm just applying a thin layer of base coat to each nail. And then I'm going to cure these nails for 60 seconds. And remember, this is a very important step. That way your polygel has something to stick to. And as always, I'm using Beetle's Polygel. This is the color 163. And this is kind of like a light beige color. I would consider it a natural or a neutral color. So yeah, I apply a very thin layer of polygel first. Even though these are shorter nails, I do want to make sure that these nails have a nice structure, because these nails I do want to last. I know typically I do the pop off method because I do change my nails quite often, but these are my beautiful vacation nails and I want them to last. So I'm going to apply a very thin layer of the polygel first, just to create a nice surface for myself, and then I will apply another thin layer on top to build my nail up. And of course, I am curing the nails in between each layer, again, because I do want these nails to last. And then I'm applying a very thin layer on top. And I'm just using my brush to try to get this product as flat as possible. And I am taking my time, just because if you have a smooth application, that will decrease the time that you spend filing and shaping the nails. And I definitely want to make sure that I get my cuticle area as clean as possible, because I don't want to cure any of the product to my skin that can cause irritation and cause my skin to, break out in that area, which I definitely want to avoid. And then I just repeat the same steps on all of my nails. Apply a thin layer, cure for about 60 seconds, and then apply another layer on top to kind of build the nail up and give it a nice structure. Again, these are short nails. They don't have to have a huge apex, but the structure needs to be there. I don't know if I mentioned this earlier in the video, but I am using alcohol as my slip solution. I've always used alcohol. To me, is what works best. I know some nail techs use base coat as their slip solution, so I might try that eventually, in the future. But as of now, I just stick to what I know, which is alcohol. It works for me. Also, if you are enjoying this nail video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and consider subscribing to join me on my nail journey. And once I'm done with my polygel application, I'll go ahead and spray the nails down with some alcohol and just use a paper towel to remove that tacky, sticky layer. Then I am going in with my 5-in-1 nail drill bit and of course my MelodySusie e-file. And this time I have my e-file set to, I would say, medium to high speed, and I am just sealing up around the cuticle area as well as going across the top of the nail to try to get it as even as possible. Later on in the video, I will go back in and use my hand file to just crispen up my shape, quite a bit. But for now, I'm using my 5-in-1 nail drill bit to seal all of my cuticles, thin out the nails, as well as get the product as smooth and even as possible. Then I'm using my 80/80 grit nail file to file and shape these nails once more and crispen up my shape. But you definitely want to be careful when you're using an 80/80 grit nail file because it is very coarse and polygel can be removed so easily. Now this video is sped up quite a bit just to save some time, but I am taking my time and being careful just to make sure I don't over file the nails. And these are how the nails look after they've been filed, shaped, and buffed. And starting off, I am using the color P15 from the Fleurwee collection. And I'm just applying a very thin layer of this color to my first finger as well as my pinky finger. Now, I know that it's supposed to be a 1-coat coverage, but to me it is a little sheer, so later on in the video I am going to apply another thin coat just because I want it to be nice and bright. For my thumb, I decided to use the color P23, and I must say I love this collection and how the colors complement each other so well, and the polish is so smooth and so easy to use. Again, this is a plant-based gel nail polish, so it is very safe for your natural nails as well as any nail enhancements, and I highly suggest you all give this a try. Again, if you are interested in this Fleurwee collection by MelodySusie, I will leave a link in the description box down below, as well as my promo code EasyNails12, which can save you 12% off of your total. And again, I went ahead and let those nails cure for 60 seconds. And now I am applying the very thin second coat. And once that second coat has cured for an entire 60 seconds, then I'm going on to some nail art. So I'm just applying a very thin layer of blooming gel to my middle finger and my ring finger where this soft yellow color is. And then I'm just going to be using my dotting tool to kind of marble all of the colors together. This includes P15, P23, and P25. And I'm just going across the nail in a diagonal motion. And then you'll see I'm using the tip of my dotting tool to kind of mix those colors together so they come up with a nice marble effect. Then I decided, since the nail stickers that were included in the gift box match so perfectly with the gel polishes, that I was going to add some nail stickers to all the nails. And I'm so glad I did. These nails turned out so bright, so fun, and so cute. And these are how the nails turned out. I love them. They are super bright, fun, and just perfect vacation nails. As always, I want to thank you so much for watching. Special thank you to MelodySusie once again for sending over this gift box for me to try. And I'll see you in the next nail video.